हेलो, हाँ भैया, हुंडई देहरादून से बात कर रहे हैं। अल्काजार आई क्या? अच्छा, अभी नहीं आई है। ओके, थैंक यू। Is this Lakshmi Hyundai Hebal, Bangalore? Okay, sir, actually this is regarding Alcazar. Do you have Alcazar in your showroom? ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. So friends, finally we got the Alcazar. We are in Bangalore and we'll go for the shoot tomorrow. नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, नेटी पहाड़ी में आपका स्वागत है। इस समय हम बेंगलोर में हैं और बेंगलोर के लक्ष्मी हुंडई शोरूम में आए हुए हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से नमस्कार टू ऑल माय बेंगलुरु फ्रेंड्स। और इस समय हमारे साथ है मिस्टर कार्तिक, जो इस शोरूम के एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं। और आज ये जो कार है हम आपको लेके आए हुंडई अल्काजार। जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि अल्काजार रिसेंटली ही इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है। सो कौन कौन से वेरिएंट्स इसमें अवेलेबल हैं, क्या फीचर्स हैं और क्या प्राइस रहने वाली है, वो सारा ही इस वीडियो में आपको देखने को मिलेगा। और आज थोड़ा सा हम अलग करने वाले हैं। यहाँ पर जो कार्तिक हैं, ये आपको इस कार के फीचर्स के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और सारे वेरिएंट्स के बारे में भी बताएंगे। तो बने रहिए इस वीडियो के साथ, क्योंकि एट दी एंड बेंगलुरु की जो ऑन रोड प्राइस है वो भी हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। सो अभी तक अगर आपने नेटी पहाड़ी को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ नेटी पहाड़ी को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। So we'll start with the front profile of all new Hyundai Alcazar. So sir, please tell me which variant is this?
So it is Alcazar, new Alcazar, that is comes in a platinum,
Okay.
which comes in like a 6-seater, and this is automatic version is that.
Okay. So sir, please could you explain the front profile of this?
Sure, sir, definitely. So in this we can see that Trio Duum, the LED headlamps will comes here, and you can see that DRL headlamp with the LED, and you can see that cascade with gold and black finishing the grille wheel. Okay, and you can see the logo here. This logo comes from like customer and sales customer shake hands will be that will be for you. And can you see this fog lamp over here? Fog lamp in the sense it is integrated fog lamp that comes in left and right indicators with that. And this is called skip plate. We have 360-degree camera, the front portion like parking one. And in the right hand side we can see that this one also has a 360-degree camera. You can see over here, this is the camera one, and next to that you can see the pedal shift, which comes in the H logo, the Hyundai logo, the pedal shift.
So complete 360-degree camera view we are getting in this variant.
Exactly.
So front profile we have one, तो आगे मिल जाएगा we have in the ORVM,
Yes,
और जो rear में रहता है,
Yes.
so complete 360-degree view will get in this car. अब हम आपको उसकी साइड प्रोफाइल भी चेकआउट करा देते हैं. So Mr. Karthik, so could you please explain the side profile of this platinum variant?
Definitely, sir, I can explain that one. So in this we can see that one, the right hand in the ORVM will that. In this we can see this right hand mirror. Okay, that is called the ORVM. This is for right indicators for that. And in this we can see this chrome handles. This is it get for the stylish part one. And you can see this sensor. This if you press this sensor means you can automatically open the door windows. Okay, and we can see this alloy wheels. This is called as 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Okay, the radius is 215. You can see over here 215 the radius. This comes in full total tire inches, and 55 inches is like this radius will become for you, and 18 inches will center portion to this portion is a 18 inches alloy wheel.
सो अब बात करते हैं आपकी रूफ रेल्स की. सो सर
Metallic roof rails are this one.
ओके ओके मेटालिक.
Yeah.
ओके ओके. और इसमें हमें साइड स्टैपर भी दिया गया है. सो वी हैव
Yes,
द
sir.
साइड स्टैपर आल्सो. एंड सर व्हाट विल बी द ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस ऑफ
This ground clearance comes in like 200 mm.
200 mm.
200 mm.
सो जो बहुत ही अच्छा है, विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट इक्विवेलेंट टू आपका जैसे क्रेटा है. आई थिंक इट्स इक्विवेलेंट टू
Yes,
क्रेटा
yes.
ओनली. चलिए बात करते हैं अल्काज़ार की रियर प्रोफाइल की. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द रूफ. तो कार्तिक जी कुड यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is called a shark fin antenna. Benefits of all the good signal and good strength will be comes in, and this is high mounted. The tail lamp will comes. This comes in like black finishing pattern. Till it is useful for the third to fourth passenger members to help for the vehicle stopped.
ओके.
It is another name is stop lamp.
स्टॉप. ओके.
Yeah, you can see the defogger also, and this is a rear wiper.
ओके.
Okay, and you can see the chrome finishing for the Hyundai logo,
Hyundai logo.
and this is the chrome finishing for Alcazar, the brand name.
Okay.
And you can see this reverse camera,
कैमरा. ओके. कैमरा पोजिशनिंग इज देयर. ओके.
reverse camera. This one,
Okay.
this is for the with a 18 touch screen with that reverse sensing cameras.
ओके. ओके.
Okay, and this is a sensor. You can see two sensors over here,
Okay.
which is help for the parking guidelines.
Correct, correct. And this kit plate is there in the silver, no sir?
Yeah,
Oh,
this
metallic.
is the metallic silver.
Okay.
This is tail lamp. This tail lamp is called as honeycomb tail lamp. Advantages like when we press the brake, the vehicle should be stopped.
चलिए बात कर लेते हैं बूट की. सो कार्तिक कुड यू प्लीज हेल्प एंड एक्सप्लेन what all features we are getting inside the boot.
Sure, sir, definitely, sir. You can see over the button area. If you press this button, boot will opens.
Okay.
We have a very good boot space
Correct, correct.
in this,
I
and
think it's a segment best also if you compare with the other segment cars like
Exactly,
Safari
sir.
and Hector. The
Exactly.
best boot space we are getting if we
Exactly,
are in the
sir.
third seat. Yes sir, please go.
exactly, and you can see with the subwoofer also. It is in the first, this is the first segment for they get for subwoofers, and you can see this boot lamp also in this. This is a boot lamp. Okay, this is ordered for the split seats, 50-50 split seat we called as. If we this belt we can extend this one much. There will be a huge boot space.
सो अगर आप ये इंजन देखते हैं, देखिए 4 सिलेंडर इंजन आपको उसमें मिलेगा और सेम क्रेटा वाला इंजन है ये अल्काज़ार में, जो आपकी मैक्सिमम पावर जनरेट करता है 115 PS की और मैक्सिमम टॉर्क 250 Nm का रहने वाला है. तो सेम आपका जो क्रेटा वाली स्पेसिफिकेशन है सेम इस डीजल इंजन में भी आपको मिलती है. और दूसरा इंजन आपका पेट्रोल रहने वाला है. और जैसे कार्तिक ने बताया था, ये आपका ऑटोमेटिक ट्रांसमिशन के साथ है.
You see the right hand the door. In the door we have dual tone. One is brown and one is grey color. This is brown, fully of leatherette. This is called as right hand armrest one. Okay, and we can see this unlock and button. This one. This is the unlock button. This is lock button. This is the opening for doors and all. And this is the windows. This type of window up and down. Okay, and this is a good feature which is having the sun saver. When the summers and the sun is shining, will convince like this is called as sun windows. This is a Bose speaker which you have that goes subwoofer and the Bose speaker also, and in this we can see this ambient lighting. This is the chrome finishing which have the stylish look.
Okay, and sir, water bottle, 1 liter water bottle will adjust.
Yes, sir.
this, right?
1 liter water bottle we can adjust it.
Okay, with the map pocket we are getting.
Yeah. This clip for front side, it will called as trim and dumper. Okay, then we can enter into the back side space.
रो में इस समय मैं हूँ कार्तिक जी के साथ, एंड जस्ट मैं आपको बता दूँ 6 सीटर है ये, और फॉर 2 पीपल इट्स कंफर्टेबल है. और मैं अपने साइड वाली आपके ये देखिए कंपार्टमेंट दिखाया तो मुझे क्या क्या मिल रहा है. व्हाट ऑल फीचर्स आप गेटिंग. USB चार्जर आई हैव, ब्लोअर है AC का, कप होल्डर मुझे मिल रहा है, कप या ग्लास होल्डर बोल दीजिए. नाउ कार्तिक विल शो फ्रॉम हिज साइड व्हाट ऑल फीचर्स यू आर गेटिंग इन थर्ड रो.
You can see this. This is the unit of that, and you can see two unit of USB charger, and this is AC blower, and same thing as cup holder with the sun.
ओके, सो विद द बेस्ट फीचर इज लाइक AC का भी आपको यहाँ पर कंट्रोल दिया गया है, विच इज़ वेरी गुड फीचर. अल्काज़ार की सेकंड रो में इस समय मैं और कार्तिक बैठे हुए हैं. तो सबसे पहले देखिए मैं आपको ये नी रूम दिखाता हूँ. परफेक्ट आपको नी रूम मिल रहा है, थाई सपोर्ट बढ़िया है. और हेडरूम की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो देखिए करीबन इतना हेडरूम आपको मिल रहा है. अपनी हाइट के हिसाब से इन सीट्स को आप आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल सीट्स हैं और प्योर लेदर, लाइक ऑल लेदर सीट्स आपको उसमें मिल रही है, चाहे फर्स्ट रो, सेकंड रो, थर्ड रो. तो सारी सीट्स आपको लेदर सीट्स मिलेंगे.
LED lamp also, which is this comes in the safety features, and in this the map pocket will comes. You can see our map pocket over here, and left side also map pocket, same thing will be there. And one wonderful benefit we are having, that we can see this is armrest. In this we can see the wireless charger, the backside one, USB port, and the cup holders. We can see this is the first segment, and we can see open that it will come up to like 2 to 3. In this car we can see the beautiful feature which is having the tap supporting. This is called a tap supporting. We can keep this mobile or tap support, anything like this. You can sit and watch Aramsa like that. This is a good feature we're having in Kaza. This is called as the rear ventilator seats with the USB cable chargers with the cup holders. Driver seat, we have the electronic driver's adjustment. This button is called as the, if you push it front side, it will go for front side. If you push it back side, it will go for back side. And this is called as electronic driver's seat adjustment. And the steps are only 8 steps we are having this.
Okay, so 8 adjustable it is, right?
Yeah.
So that is a good feature we are getting. Again, it's a leather seat, and what all we are getting, sir, in the driver side door, if you can explain.
Okay, so in driver side seat you can see the Bose speaker.
Okay.
And this is adjustment of ORVM, the left and right. If you this button, the ORVM foldable will happens, and if you outer it, opens will opens.
Okay.
And this is a left side button and this right side button for the both the side ORVM adjustment.
Okay.
And this is the unlock and lock the key,
Okay.
the buttons which having. And
So
okay,
all power windows we are
yeah,
getting in this.
and this button called a child lock.
Child lock. Okay. So, sir, how many speakers we are getting in this?
So total we having 8 speakers,
8 speakers. So 8
including Bose.
Yeah, okay, okay. So total 8 speakers we are getting, and again, sir, I think this is more map pocket we are getting with the.
With the 2 liters, sir. This is the 2 liters.
Okay.
The bottle cup holders will be 2 liters
Okay.
with a map pocket.
Map. Now, sir, if you can explain us the steering, like what all functions and features we are getting in the steering.
Definitely, sir. I can explain that.
Sure.
This is adjustable steering, called as power steering.
Okay.
If you press this knobs, you can adjust the steering, tilt
feature.
and telescopic.
Okay. And sir, this is a D-cut steering wheel we are getting, right?
This is D-cut.
D-cut with the leather wrap. We are
Yes, sir. This is leather wrap.
Okay.
You can get it with the D-cut also.
Okay.
This is one. Okay. And this is the mode which we are giving. This is the voice recognition. This is a mode which we can change the audios, videos, anything we can place in the touch screen. You can change the mode. And this is the volume control, adjustable control. This is the adjustable of mode 1.
More one. So all calling features we are getting. We can manage from here.
We can manage all the steering controls.
Okay.
Okay. And this is a answering the call and disconnecting the call buttons.
Okay.
Okay. And this is a special feature which you're having in the Alcazar.
Okay.
That is called cruise control.
Cruise control. So this is automatic variant, and we are getting pedal shifter if you want to drive manually.
Exactly. This is called as engine stop and stop button which you're having. This button is called as traction control. Oh.
Okay. So this is the instrumental panel of Alcazar.
Exactly, sir. And this in this we can see the blind spot, the blind spot which you're having the blind spot over here. You can see in the 360-degree camera.
Okay.
Okay, whatever the vehicles comes in right side and left side and all, the camera will help for you the vehicle, whichever vehicles coming the back side one, it will show you from the dB meter.
Okay. And sir, what all feature we have, like tire pressure monitoring system?
We have the TPMS, that is called a tire pressure monitor systems. What all the vehicles have any damages or any engine oil low or less also, or any coolant oil less also,
Okay.
immediately it will come with beeps on with that. It will show information for the meter, cluster meter. This is the traction driver seat. Okay, in this dB meter, you can see the traction control.
Okay.
Okay, if you press it, this is the eco mode.
Okay.
This is sports mode.
Okay.
This is comfort.
Okay.
Comfort in this is normal drive.
Okay.
If
So
you want,
three modes we are getting.
yeah, 3 modes we are getting.
Okay.
One more option. We have traction also. In the traction, snow mode, the sand mode which you are having, and mud mode.
Okay. So terrain options are also there.
Exactly, sir.
That's really nice feature. So
This is
three types of terrain we are getting.
There's a remote key which have the functions like lock button, unlock button. This is the hold button, and this is the boot.
Okay, okay. So
which
four
you can,
features.
yeah,
Okay.
there are 4 features in this, the buttons.
Okay.
If you press this type of key, we can see the manual key also, and this is the key
Okay.
functioning. Okay, it is called a 10.03 inches touch screen.
Okay.
In this touch screen we have the inbuilt navigation. This is inbuilt navigation. If you go for menu, you can see the icons over here.
Okay, okay. So Android Auto, Apple CarPlay,
Yeah.
both.
All the features are available. Android Auto, the phone, the Blue Link option,
Okay.
Apple CarPlay,
CarPlay.
favorites, media, map,
Auto.
voice demo. Next we have the automatic climate control.
Okay, so automatic AC.
This is automatic climate control is called as. Automatically the temperature also will changes.
Okay, okay.
This is called automatic climate control.
Oh,
USB charger.
Okay.
This is fast charge USB.
Okay.
This is 12 volt with 180 watt.
Okay, okay.
The wireless.
So
Charger
basically
one.
we are getting one fast USB charger and one normal USB charger.
Exactly.
I think so wireless charger also there.
This is a wireless charger.
Okay.
It is supports only for the
Wireless-
Android.
Oh, Android. As we said, this is like automatic variant. So these are the reverse, neutral, and
reverse,
driving mode. Okay.
parking, reverse, neutral, drive, and sports.
Sports mode.
Yeah.
And this is for the parking brake.
Parking
electronic
brake.
parking brake
Yeah.
we are getting. Okay.
This is from the view.
Okay.
While driving that,
Okay.
while if you want to see the back vehicles which are any kind of coming,
Okay.
if you just press this button, you can see in the back camera
Okay.
that vehicle are coming or what.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. What next we have?
And we have the good finishing of a silver finishing.
Okay.
With, is using a cup holders also.
Okay.
This is a off lid,
holder.
2 cup holder we are having.
Okay, so it comes with your auto healthy air, that means air purifier.
Yes,
so
sir.
we can see like dust is there, filter is option is there. So that means like it cleans the air inside cabin air.
Exactly.
So which is very good feature.
Yeah.
And sir, I think with this armrest, if you can open how much storage we are getting. Okay, so it's a decent amount of storage. I think we are getting.
Yes, sir.
We can keep our purse and mobile.
This is a good space also.
correct, correct,
Good
correct.
space, so we are getting that one.
Okay.
This armrest will be there.
Correct, correct. So
And we can see AC here also.
Okay.
So AC, ventilated AC.
AC. Okay, so a lot of features we are getting with Alcazar. As so again, sir, this is I think a hard material, hard touch. We
Exactly, sir.
It's used over
Yeah.
here. Woofer आपको मिल रहा है तो total how many speakers sir we are getting in this?
Total 8 speakers, sir, with
8 speakers
subwoofer.
With subwoofer.
Yeah.
And बात करें अगर glove box की तो I think
Cooling globe.
cool glove box we are getting with decent amount of space. So space काफ़ी अच्छी है. अगर मैं थोड़ा इसको पीछे करूँ, so good amount of space we are getting and it's a cool glove box. So which is fine. AC vent का डिजाइन ये है. Twitter, I think sir 2 Twitters we are getting.
Yeah.
One over here and other side we are getting Twitter. I think automatic IRVM we are getting. So if you can explain little bit.
Yes, sir. This is called automatic IRVM. Okay. This S4S. This is the RSA, that is roadside assistance. This is a Blue Link option.
Okay, okay. And if we talk about my side sun visor, so we have sir vanity mirror we have.
Vanity mirror with a mirror also you can stand it.
Okay.
And
And sir, one more feature I just want to see. Okay, so we can flip it that side also. Okay, that's a good one. And sir, if you can explain, we have
sunglass holder.
sunglass holder. We have
And this is sunroof.
sun. Okay. And sir, just if you open LED lamps also we are getting in this. Okay, sir. For the sunroof, I think panoramic sunroof we are getting. If you can explain and show us.
Yeah, this is the button
Okay.
which we can function as sunroof and all.
Okay.
I can open this.
Yeah. So we have to just click. Okay, so one touch only.
Only one touch button.
Okay.
The whole sunroof will be open for you.
Okay, okay, okay. So with the one touch, complete
sunroof.
sunroof is opening.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very nice feature, sir. First time I've seen actually. Perfect. And if you want to close it,
Same one button only.
Okay.
Can push it down.
push it down.
The sunroof will close for you.
Okay. If you can show us your side sun visor, what all we getting? What ticket holder we have in this? Okay, fine. So it's like kind of a sir feature-rich car we are getting.
Exactly, sir.
तो चलिए बात कर लेते हैं अल्कज़ार की प्राइस की जो ऑन रोड आपको बेंगलोर में पड़ने वाली है. सो पहले मैं आपको कुछ बताता हूँ. देखिए बेंगलोर के जो रोड टैक्सेस हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा रहते हैं. तो नाउ आई विल टेल यू द ऑन रोड प्राइस ऑफ दिस वेरिएंट एंड लक्ष्मी हुंडई में आपको कितने की पड़ेगी. सो कार्तिक इज विद मी. सो कार्तिक, इफ़ यू कैन टेल अस दिस ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएंट प्राइस. आई थिंक दिस वन इज
Platinum, sir.
Platinum. Okay,
Yeah.
and what will be the on road price in Lakshmi Hyundai?
So Platinum comes on the 6-seater, 24,87,000, sir.
This is for the 6-seater. And if someone wants to purchase the 7-seater,
7-seater comes in, automatic comes in 22,66,691.
okay.
7-seater.
And sir, what will be the, let's say if anyone wants to buy the base variant of this diesel?
Okay, base variant you can go for manual transmission.
Okay.
That comes in like 20,83,007.
Okay, so Prestige is the manual
base variant.
for manual transmission, 7-seater.
Yeah.
And for this 6-seater, sir, it will be
6-seater is here.
Okay.
The manual transmission.
Okay.
Diesel one 21,01,624.
ओके एंड सर वैसे तो देखिए ये गाड़ियाँ डीजल में सबसे ज़्यादा बिकती हैं, लेकिन बट फॉर योर रेफरेंस पेट्रोल में भी सर इफ़ यू कैन हेल्प अस विद द बेस वेरिएंट प्रेस्टीज.
Prestige one,
Okay,
the
sir.
6-seater, that comes around 20,93,405.
Okay, and if we go with the 7-seater one for the base variant Prestige.
So, 20,74,761.
Okay, these are for the petrol variants, friends. So again, if you want to purchase or want to take a test drive of this Alcazar, you can visit to the Lakshmi Hyundai. So Lakshmi Hyundai has so many showrooms in Bangalore. One of them where we are standing right now is the Hebbal location, correct sir?
Exactly.
So once again we would like to thanks Mr. Karthik for helping us and showing the complete walk around of this new Alcazar. So once again friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.